Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove blank cells in column in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. We can see here many data to this spreadsheet. Now we want to remove the blank cells. At first, select your data sheet, click and drag on your mouse. Then press Ctrl G on your keyboard and select the special option. Then select blank. Click OK. We can see here automatically selected the all blank cell. Now we want to remove the cell. Click right button and select the delete option and choose the cells up. Click OK. Now we can see we did remove blank cells in column easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.